the largest fossilized poo collection in the world. The National Poo Museum. Valor de la Mirada by Grethell Rasua. Grethell Rasua is a Cuban artist who takes a more collaborative angle with her work. She uses her customers' poop to make sculptures. Her commissioned piece Valor de la Mirada, The Value of the Look, which was displayed at the Visual Arts Center in Old Havana in 2009, portrayed the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac formed from excrement and gold and required the contribution of both her clients' money and waste to make. 21 Anthropometric modules by Santiago Sierra. 21 Anthropometric modules by Santiago Sierra. Holy Virgin Mary by Orfili. Holy Virgin Mary by Orfili. Gold-plated poop by Terence. Gold-plated poop by Terence. Merda Artist of Artists sh*t by Piero Manzoni. Merda Artist of Artists sh*t by Piero Manzoni.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.